In this heart-wrenching episode of Real Estate Chronicles, we unravel a story that highlights the darkest depths of frustration, a tragic incident that shook the life of an American realtor. Witness the power of technology and resilience as we follow his journey from despair to redemption. Meet Michael, a dedicated American realtor with an expansive property database. The weight of matching properties with customer preferences became an insurmountable burden, pushing him to the edge.
I just can't take it anymore. The pressure, the frustration, it's affecting everything, even my health.
Michael, we're worried about you. You're not yourself anymore.
The culmination of frustration and exhaustion led to a decision that would forever alter Michael's life. A life-altering incident occurred, highlighting the dire consequences of his mental and physical fatigue.
Sweetheart, your dad collapsed at work. He's in the hospital.
Oh no, Mom. How that happened? Is he okay?
He pushed himself too hard and his health suffered. We need to be there for him.
Amidst the tragedy, a glimmer of hope emerged. Michael realized he needed a solution to his property search struggles. A solution that would bring relief and prevent further disasters.
Michael, you have to find a way to manage your workload without sacrificing your well-being.
I know, I need to make a change for all of us.
Michael's search for a lifeline led him to RealtorAI, an innovative conversational AI chatbot designed for real estate professionals. RealtorAI promised to understand property nuances and customer preferences, offering a glimmer of hope in Michael's darkest hour. With RealtorAI by his side, Michael's life transformed. The AI effortlessly presented tailored property options, freeing him from overwhelming searches.
It's incredible, guys. RealtorAI is changing the game for me. It's a lifeline I desperately needed.
We're here with you, Michael. Your well-being and happiness are our priority.
RealtorAI's impact was undeniable. Michael's business flourished, and his stress transformed into a newfound joy for life.
This is our victory. RealtorAI and your unwavering support pulled me back from the edge.
Together, we've emerged stronger than ever.
And so, dear viewers, Michael's journey is a testament to technology's power to reshape lives. In the realm of real estate, innovation can turn tragedy into triumph. Thank you for joining us. Until next time, remember that strength in technology can lead to redemption.